The city of Parker is preparing for major investments as officials plan next year's budget. The proposed budget includes a significant increase in expenditures, nearly doubling the previous year's spending. But city leaders say it's all part of preparing for growth. As News 13's Maggie McGuigan tells us where all the money's coming from.
Parker city officials are mapping out a big year, a $15 million proposed budget. But officials say they won't be raising taxes. The city is using reserve funds and state loans to invest in infrastructure and safety. At Parker's only budget workshop on Monday, officials highlighted a $1.5 million fire truck purchase. It's set to be funded by transferring $1.4 million from utility reserves. The rest would come from the general fund. The move was approved by the city's auditors, but the council will still have to vote on the money transfer.
We don't have the ability with the current equipment that we have to reach the altitude that we would have to get to execute fire protection or rescue in the buildings that they built down on Oak Shore Drive, the hotel, and new growth as the city starts to grow.
That growth includes the new 124-unit, 4-story Marriott Suites Hotel near Highway 98, which officials hope to break ground on in the next few months. Another major investment is a $7 million state revolving fund or SRF loan for a new water line. $5 million of the loan will be spent during the upcoming fiscal year. City officials say it's a done deal. There's an estimated $1,200 interest on the SRF loan accounted for in the budget. Officials say about a third of the loan will be forgiven by the state. The upgrade will improve fire protection and open up land for future development.
We're going to have this new 8-inch water line replacing all of the bad water lines in Parker, which will give us more fire hydrants, better water supply. And then on Tyndall Parkway, where there are no construction because there's no water there, they'll be able to build on that property where they haven't been able to before.
The millage rate is set to remain at 3 mills, consistent with the past 2 years. But operating expenses are rising. The city buys water and sewer from Bay County. The current contract includes an escalator or automatic increase. Parker customers will see a 3% increase in water rates and 4% for sewer. City staff also clarified a misleading spreadsheet label regarding the 2024-2025 fiscal year budget. A column marked amended budget was mistakenly generated by their software, showing an additional $2 million. But officials say the current budget has not been amended. In Parker, Maggie McGuigan, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
The City Council will vote on the budget in 2 public hearings in September. If approved, the budget will go into effect on October 1st.